Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 13th. Time is around 6:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and we are considering two scenarios at the moment. A scenario where we made a wave one high here, and we came down as a wave two right here, an A, B, C corrective move down, here indicated in green. And then there is also a scenario where this here was an expanded flat structure, a wave B. I'm sorry, not an an expanded, an expanded flat structure where this is a wave B and we have to come down then as a wave C. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. I will also make a higher time frame analysis this weekend. But the bottom line here on the lower time frame is that in case of the scenario in green where the wave 2 is in, we should hold this low and we should get an impulsive structure right here. As long as we do not get this impulsive structure right here, then that would mean that this scenario in red can still play out as a 1, 2, 3, 4. We are currently in wave 4 area, but then it could mean that we do another impulse down here as a wave 5 into this area. So therefore we now look at the lower time frame, and here we are looking at the 1 hour chart. We had a move down yesterday. That was not really a surprise. I would say that was something we could expect. Excuse me. I also talked about it in my yesterday's video. But I believe in my yesterday's video, my wave 3, 4, and 5. No, my wave 3 and 4 were situated here, if I remember well. I'm not sure because sometimes every day I update the charts during the day, but like I think it's more appropriate to say that this here is actually our wave 3. If we need the impulse, or if we want to see the impulse, then we actually still need to do this fifth wave. I had a look at this structure here, and it is better to say that we have 5 waves here, but these are sub waves of the wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are not, in my opinion, 5 waves as being part of this wave 1 here to the upside. So this means that so far we only have 3 waves, in my opinion. So 1, 2, 3 in the bullish scenario, where we will see, or where we should see, a 5th wave. However, in the bearish scenario, this means that this can be a mature, or this is a mature A, B, C correction. So this can actually be also the wave 4. So the wave 4 in this degree right here. So then this means what's crucial to watch today is that here we are currently reaching wave 4 area in the bullish scenario. So if we take the length of the wave 3 here, then our wave 4 area here has been reached, the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIP extension, FIP retracement, I'm sorry. So what needs to happen? We have to turn up from this area here as a 5th wave, ending here with divergence. And then this would be the wave 1, and this would give me quite some confidence that if we come back down from here after this 5th wave, if we come back from here, then we will have a corrective structure down as an A, B, C, and the low will hold. This would mean that we can start a new impulse up in the higher degree. However, if we would take out this area right here, so that means as soon as we cross here the 0.618, I'm sorry, yeah, it's from here the wave 2, but yeah, they are okay. So if we would cross here the 0.618 fib retracement, then then I believe this was just a corrective move up, and we will get another impulse down as a fifth wave, and then we just take out this this low here. Maybe not in one drop. Like, of course, an impulse also goes in 5 waves, so it could be like that we have like a wave 1 down here stopping just before this low, just to mislead you, go up again as a wave 2, and then down as a wave 3. So this is how I look at it. This is how I look at the Dow Jones. This area here will give us a very good indication. I think as soon as we take out this 0.618 fib retracement level, then I'm afraid that this can no longer be a wave 4, and then that would mean that we will not get our fifth wave, that this is not an impulse, but instead that we will see further downside as an impulse here in the secondary scenario as a fifth wave. That would be my best estimate now on the Dow Jones. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.